Recently, He Yujun earned enough face for his wife Shi Mengyao, and sent a message to congratulate his esports team Star for winning the 3 consecutive championships of the 2022 KPL Spring Finals. And the accompanying text said, "I laughed again, TSK, calmly wa hai ching rong yi zheng ziyang, and won again." The words are full of undisguised joy. He Yujun's ability is not only because he is the son of the gambling king He Hongshen. After all, the family has 17 children, all of whom are talented and beautiful. However, in terms of appearance and talent, He Yujun is not responsible for the family, and he is the son of his concubine. This identity also made He Yujun feel inferior for a time. Therefore, to get the recognition of the outside world, he himself has to put in more efforts than ordinary people. At present, He Yujun is not considered a successful career, but for a 27-year-old man, he has just shown his excellence. I believe that with the accumulation of time and his personal career experience, the future will be bright. It seems that Shi Mengyao's marriage to He Yujun was a clear choice. After all, men who grow up under the aura of attention are still diligent and hard-working, and they are not pampered and lie flat, which is a few streets away for modern young people. Since Shi Mengyao married He Yujun, the outside world has labeled Shi Mengyao a wealthy family. After all, the family business of the gambling king He Hongshen should not be underestimated. In July 2019, the two tied the knot, and soon after the marriage, in October of the same year, Shi Mengyao gave birth to the eldest grandson in his family, and his mother was greatly favored by her son. Unexpectedly, she gave birth to a daughter in May 2021 after 2 years. Why did Yujun form the word good to help her husband's career? This also allowed her to personally receive a reward from her mother-in-law Liang Anqi. In addition to luxury houses and luxury cars, it is said that the monthly pocket money is 7 digits, the husband and wife are in a sweet relationship, and Shi Mengyao's personal state is also very good. It seems that the supermodel Shi Mengyao is really a full-fledged husband.